Hello everyone, I'm Tim from Tim's PC, and I build custom PCs to suit anyone's needs or budget. Also live stream my builds and repairs for transparency and educational purposes. So if you'd like to get an awesome new PC and you'd like to see it put together live, send me a message today. Alright, so tonight we've got a couple of good ones on. So to start things off, we're building one for another small business here. What are you trying to say to me, babe? Stop spinning that. So we're building a couple of PCs here tonight. First one is for another small business. So we've got i9-12900K. We've got an Asus Prime Z690-A motherboard. We got 32 gigabytes of Corsair DDR5 RAM. We got a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD. We have an Asus, ASRock Challenger RX 6600. We have a 750 watt gigabyte power supply there. We've got an NZXT Kraken X53 RGB cooler, and we're going to be putting it in an NZXT, what they call this, the H5 Elite. Let's get started. Yeah. There's something wrong with the latest videos that Riley has edited and saved in the upload folder. Like when they upload for like a full hour with a whole heap of stuff like cut out, and none of the edit seems to have saved properly. Yeah, it's really strange. I'm not sure how it's happened, because I'm not a full-on expert with Adobe Premiere and stuff myself. So I'm gonna have to go over it with him when he works next, basically. So let's get stuck into this next one. So we've got an Antec. Oh no, it's a Silverstone Farah R1. Thanks everyone for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video.